Hi guys, how are you? Hello friends and fellow detoxers. I'm gonna show you two quick, easy 5-minute breakfasts that we can make on our detox and also in our regular lives. Very healthy. We're gonna make a grain-free warm porridge, and we're also gonna quickly make a chia seed warm breakfast pudding. So this is what I have here. I have pumpkin seeds, I have flax, about 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of flax, a few tablespoons of real unsweetened coconut, some chia seeds, some hemp seeds. We're gonna dump it all in the blender. So easy. Okay. And this is packed with protein and magnesium, and it's warm and delicious. So we're gonna put all of our seeds in here and we're gonna pulse it up. Here we go. Okay, so we are almost done. Now, on the stove, I have unsweetened almond milk. So what I would like to do is add a little bit of stevia, a few drops, a little bit of vanilla, some cinnamon, and a little tiny pinch of salt. So our almond milk is warm. I'm gonna put a nice dash of cinnamon. Maybe that's about a 1/2 teaspoon, a tiny little dash of salt, because salt always tastes great in sweet things. I don't know, I'm gonna try 3 drops, maybe 4 of stevia. I get this at the health food store. And just a pinch of vanilla. So it all tastes really yummy. Whisk it together. Perfect. That's done, nice and hot. We go over here and get our seeds out of the bowl, out of the mixer, sorry. Okay. And there we have our breakfast cereal. We're gonna add our warm milk. Let me go get that. Okay. Smells so good. Smells like rice pudding. It just smells like cinnamon and vanilla. Okay, so here's our cereal. It's kind of like a cream of wheat or a cream of rice. And then you can add whatever you want. I'm gonna add some blueberries and some banana. Yum. And that's it, guys. I mean, this is super simple. I'm gonna taste it quickly, and then I wanna show you one more thing. If you want it to be a little thinner, just add more milk. It's rich, delicious, like warm cereal. I love it. Really good. Okay, another quick breakfast. Chia seed. This happens to be white chia seed. 1/3 cup, dump it in a bowl. Cup of unsweetened almond milk, dump it in. That's it. Cover it with saran wrap. Into the refrigerator it will go overnight, and then in the morning it will have been bloated up and puffed up. Slide it into a saucepan, heat it up, add your stevia, add your fruit, add your cinnamon, and you have another warm breakfast option. So that's it, quick, 5 minutes, super simple. You guys are gonna love it.